Hey, in today's video, we're gonna take a look at some crazy numbers that we've just published in our Eastside market review for 2021 Q3. So if you want a digital copy of the report, shoot me a message and I'll happily share it with you. But overall, the real estate Eastside market in the third quarter of 2021 is very similar to other reports that we've done earlier last year. With growing prices, fewer homes available, and historically low mortgage rates, one of the primary topics of conversation is that there's very little change in the news from earlier in the year. What it comes down to is that buyers continue to outnumber available listings. You would think that after months and months of nearly double-digit increases, that buyers would eventually stop spending the crazy amount of money needed to buy a property. But that has not been the case. And while the buyer fatigue still exists, the market remains unbalanced. The most obvious explanation for our supercharged market is the historically low interest rates and the fact that the general economy is still booming. So even though the Eastside market may experience some seasonal slowing, interest rates are likely to remain low enough and continue to draw buyers into the market. While the limited inventory has been the mantra for the Eastside buyers, we have finally reached a point where the actual home sales have decreased by 8% from the same time last year. This follows more than 18 months of increased sales. Prior to last month, the number of homes sold has been increased on a monthly basis for nearly 2 years. And we've now had 2 months where sales are on the Eastside have fallen. And with the upcoming holiday season, we may be witnessing the first significant shift in our frenzied market. So now let's take a look at some of the numbers from the report. So here we see all of the market activity from last year broken into new construction, Eastside all properties, Eastside condos, and single family residences. And with the exception of new construction, where the closed sales number has gone down, meaning there was less new construction homes sold than there was in 2020 Q3, all other categories, and including Eastside all properties, we've sold more homes for more money, and we've sold them faster because the average days on market number is lower. When we look at the luxury waterfront market, which is defined by $2 million or up on the waterfront, the number of sales has actually gone up by quite a bit. So we sold a lot more homes, and the average or the median sales price has almost gone up by 40%. And the same story with less days on market, with an average days on market of 8. And lastly, if we talk about the median sale price broken down by different cities, some of these numbers are just staggering. So Bothell, for example, in 2020 Q3, the median sale price was $750,000. In 2021 Q3, it was over $1 million, with over a 40% increase. Issaquah has also gone up significantly, and it seems like from the whole report, Medina, which was always expensive as it is the only number that went down. And then closed sales, similar story. But in summary, even though this is broken down in different categories by different cities, we see that overall in Q3 of 2021 as compared to last year, we have sold more homes, we've sold them for more money, and it took less days to get them sold. So again, this has lots of valuable info that you could read for yourself, so just shoot me a DM and I'll be happy to share the report with you. I'll catch you on the next video.